America's manufacturing sector is dying a slow and painful death, and tariffs are holding the knife.
The latest ISM Manufacturing PMI for November dropped again, hitting 48.2 and signaling contraction for the 9th straight month. This is not a temporary dip. It is a structural collapse unfolding in real time.
America's factories aren't coming back. They're quietly bleeding out.
New orders have fallen sharply from 49.4 to 47.4, the lowest level since May 2023. Production is shrinking, and manufacturing employment has now contracted for 10 straight months. Out of 18 tracked industries, only 4 are showing growth. List of industries with most in red decline status.
Key sectors like textiles, wood products, plastics, and transportation equipment are in free fall.
Politicians promised that tariffs would bring jobs home, but the opposite has happened.
Manufacturers are laying off American workers instead of hiring them.
Companies are accelerating offshoring to escape unpredictable tariff policies.
Export orders are collapsing as other countries retaliate with their own tariffs. CEOs have frozen capital investment because they don't know what next week's tariff list will look like.
We are actively moving production to Mexico and Southeast Asia.
This is not winning. It is surrender disguised as nationalism.
Meanwhile, input costs are exploding due to 25% tariffs on steel, aluminum, chemicals, and electronics components.
Factory gate inflation is rising, undermining the Federal Reserve's efforts to bring inflation down toward 2%.
The people paying the price are blue-collar American workers, the very people tariffs were supposed to protect.
This is a very tough time for blue-collar workers.
Factories are cutting shifts, not adding them, and companies are hoarding cash out of fear of sudden policy changes. The cruel irony is that tariffs meant to revive manufacturing have triggered its longest contraction since the Great Recession. America still has world-class engineers, cheap energy, and the world's largest consumer market.
But none of that matters when policy makes it more expensive to build things in the US than anywhere else.
Until Washington abandons tariff-based fantasy economics and adopts real industrial strategy, PMI will stay below 50.
And the slow death of American manufacturing will continue, one tariff at a time.